Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing AI passive income ideas that can help you make money while you sleep. If you're looking for ways to automate your business or generate extra income, then keep watching. 1. Chatbots. Chatbots are a great way to automate customer service and sales. With AI technology, you can create a chatbot that can answer customer queries, provide product recommendations, and even process orders. This can help you save time and money while generating passive income. 2. Content creation. AI technology can help you create optimized content for search engines and social media platforms. You can use AI tools to generate blog posts, social media posts, and even videos. This can help you generate passive income by monetizing your content through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. 3. Stock trading. AI technology can help you make informed decisions when it comes to stock trading. You can use AI-powered trading bots that can analyze market trends and make trades on your behalf. This can help you generate passive income by earning profits from your investments. 4. Online courses. AI technology can help you create and sell online courses. You can use AI tools to create interactive and engaging courses that can be accessed by students from anywhere in the world. This can help you generate passive income by selling your courses on platforms like Udemy and Coursera. Conclusion is that. So there you have it, AI passive income ideas that you can start today. Whether you're a business owner looking to automate customer service, a content creator wanting to monetize your content, a stock trader looking to make smarter investments, or an educator wanting to sell online courses, AI technology can help you generate passive income. Let us know in the comments which idea you're most excited to try out. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.